All right, well, roof anchors. No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the kinds of anchors that are installed on roofs to save lives. At Northwest Roof Maintenance, first and foremost, we want to make sure that our technicians are kept safe working up on those roofs. So on top of that, this also includes making sure that we follow state regulations and other safety regulations. We equip ourselves with safety gear like a body harness, which connects to a rope, which then connects to an anchor. There's a lot of different definitions that can define an anchor. There's a lot of different types of anchors, but the ones that we use here are permanent anchors and temporary anchors. We only use temporary anchors on tile, and we use permanent anchors mainly on shingle composition roofs. All right, guys, well, I hope this helped you understand a little bit more about roof anchors and what we're doing as a company to make sure that our technicians are staying safe up on your roofs. So we'll see you next time, and we'll see you soon.